Shop, it is 6:08. I will take a roll call. Trustee Burke,
Here. It doesn't matter.
Trustee Cassius, Trustee Egan,
Here.
Trustee Kadeski Rodriguez is absent. Trustee Gonzalez,
Here.
Trustee Sclafane,
Here.
Trustee Wilbach,
Here.
Vice President Munoz,
Here.
and President Bellato.
Here.
Okay, first I'd like to bring to the board's attention, this was sent home and there's a packet in front of you. These are new policies from Strauss Esme. I shouldn't say new. Updated. So most of them are either revised mandated or new mandated. I'd like to point two out that we're working on now, and as soon as we have the complete language, I'll get you the final copies. And that's 2415, the Title I. There's a district and a school family engagement. All right, so those are being worked on, and then maintenance and repair. All the rest are basically the language comes straight from Strauss Esme, which you have in your packets. So we're going to introduce this tonight, and we will include it on the agenda for next month's meeting. So now I'll bring you approval of minutes, acceptance of communications. We have a lot of retirements. Actually, we even updated it today. So that's all the ones I got this month. Who would like to move?
I'll second.
Okay, and then I will consent agenda, curriculum, resolutions A1 to A19. Committee met, everything you have. Who would like to move and second from curriculum?
I'll move.
Dennis?
I'll second.
And Pam, thank you. Moving along, finance, resolution B1 to B12 you received. We added a resolution today, B13, it's a placement of a student tuition contract, so that's new, you didn't see that. That's B13, it is in your packet. So from finance, we'd like to move, Chris?
I second.
And, we're good? We'll move ahead to personnel. Mr. Kopaz, resolution C2.
In accordance with Bayonne Board of Education Policy 5512, during this reporting period, incidents of harassment, intimidation, and bullying have been reported and investigated as follows. One incident at Lincoln, and four incidents at William Sherman Midtown School have been investigated and confirmed. Strategies and resources have been provided to victims to assist in the recovery process. Consequences and remedial measures were given to the offender. All documentation is being retained by the coordinators. 3 incidents at Henry Harris, 7 incidents at Robinson, 2 incidents at Lawrence Mann, 3 incidents at William Sherman Midtown, 1 incident at Washington, 4 incidents at Woodrow Wilson, 2 incidents at Nicholas Orozco, and 2 incidents at Bayonne. In these cases, there was no confirmed evidence of the investigative acts of the HIP. Strategy, resources, and remedial measures were implemented. All documentation is being retained by the school and by the board. Thank you, Dr.
Mr. Lopez, is it possible for the board to get a detailed list of the HIPs in the school for the calendar year 2021-2022 thus far? How many were reported, how many were found?
Yeah, we did that in November. We'll do it at the end, but I'll get up to date to you by tomorrow.
Okay, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Can the board be included?
Yeah, I'll copy everything.
Okay, great. Thank you very much. There's a lot of that.
So personnel, who'd like to move in second?
I'll move it.
Jody?
Second.
And Lisa will second. And the only other item is, I'm moving, this was on curriculum, I'm sorry, this was on personnel. Summer elementary blast, I'm moving that. Non-consent because Pam has a conflict, so who'd like to move and second that?
I'll move it.
Maria? Would like to second?
I'll second.
Okay, Jody. Maria, that's all I have. Good, Superintendent, we're good?
Good.
All right, so then it is,
Just request these after. That's it, right?
We're good?
Everything else, everyone's good?
Anyone else have any questions? I don't have to call the administrative back?
No, we're good.
Going once, going twice. All right, it's 6:14. We're going to adjourn the open workshop. We'll be in the auditorium at 7 for the public meeting.